Hello, this is our workshop. The first one workshop. You check step-by-step formings. It's for roofing sheet, standing seam, stainless steel material. Here is one Sigma 5mm Sigma purlin roll forming machine. Decolor, leveling unit, cut length unit. Here is pump station, didn't finished. Cut length and the punching unit for Sigma purlin. Here is conveyor belt. Here is the one downspout. Here is one gutter. You check. Very high, very big. The rollers very big. You check the rollers. About 400 millimeter. The one roller diameter 400 millimeter. Size adjustable automatically.